Good morning, guys. Okay, so this is next day hair for wearing my slick back ponytail. So last night I just used this scarf here to just wrap around the front, and I put my bonnet on. That's all I did. It actually looked good. It still looked like it's smoothed down. Not a whole halo of frizz and poofiness or anything, but she needs to be refreshed. So I don't think I have a lot to do with her today. Pretty much just pulling her back and just, you know, putting her in a nice pony so she can look presentable today. So what I'm going to do is just pretty much, and she feels very soft. That cast, the gel cast is gone. So very soft. So let's go ahead and just put her back up in a pony. I think I'm going to, now with this Nature's Little Secret gel here, a little does go a long way, and you don't have to keep reapplying. You can if you want to. I am going to reapply just a little bit right here to my edges where the gray hair is, since they're a little bit more on the frizzy side, and that is it. And then just see how that will work. So I have a little bit, just a little goes a long way, just like that, very little. And I'm just going to just apply it here. I'm not going to apply the water or anything yet. See how that's smoothing down nicely? Okay. And don't look at my lashes, guys. I was playing with some lashes. I'm trying to, I guess, learn how to put on fake lashes. I didn't do too bad. I've been trying for the last couple of months, so I don't think they look too bad. But anyway, yes, I do have on falsies today. So let's go ahead and just smooth this section down right here. I'm gonna come up, I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit, whatever I have left on my fingertips, and just bring it up just to smooth it down. See, just like that. So that's enough for now. I'm going to take my brush here, and it feels kind of wet, creamy, so I can go ahead and brush like that. See how it's smoothing down nicely? Okay, just like that. Okay, bad. So I'm going to go ahead and put the pony back up. And today I'm just going to use my black scrunchie here. And I don't like a tight. It's not really tight. It's kind of loose. So there, just fix your curls a little bit. Fluff it out. Now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take my brush. I'm going to spray just a little water on my brush, just that little bit, and just swoop the top of my hair, just a little. Like I said, it's already laid down. I don't need to add a whole lot of water. I don't need to add a whole lot of product. And she still has like just a slight little hole back here, just a slight little hole. Voila, that's it. That is it. And of course, oh, I did bring my bobby pins. I'm going to put my bobby pins on the side because I do wear glasses. So when I'm taking my glasses off and on, the hair won't come out too much. You know, sometimes if I have my glasses on, sometimes the little pieces of hair will pop out on the side. So the bobby pins help just a little bit there. It's nice and soft. It's not hard like it was, or I guess it doesn't have that cast like it did yesterday, because yesterday I did diffuse it on cool air just to set the gel in, and it held up pretty nicely. And even though I did apply just a little gel to the sides, I feel that I don't need to go in and diffuse it. It feels like it's forming a cast on its own, so it's giving some kind of hole there, so I feel that that's fine there. And overall, I love the shine. I love the shine. This gel gives a nice shine to your hair. Very nice shine, and it doesn't dry your hair out, and I do like that. You know, you don't want anything to dry your hair out, so that feels good there too as well. Now, for all the gels that I have tried so far, I'm gonna say this one right here has held me up all day yesterday, and I'm sure today it's gonna hold up, because like I said, I have just the way it look, I can tell it has like that gel cast, and it still has some kind of hole at the top. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. For me, I don't have to have a perfect sleek back hairstyle, because as long as it doesn't have like that, you know, like that halo, like, you know, if you have that daycare frizz or so that's in the front, as long as it's not that, I'm fine. I just want it laid down just enough to look presentable. Now, this gel right here, if you have it, just make sure you try it on your sleek backs and see how you would like it. I think it held up pretty good, especially for all day. This is the first gel that I have tried that held up for me the whole day, and here it's day 2, and she's still looking pretty decent too as well. Try it out. I did try the African Pride gel here. I did like this one here, but I'm gonna say it didn't last me the whole day. I'm gonna say like the middle of the day, I did end up getting some frizz and my hair felt dry. So, and I didn't have that shine like I have the shine now. But overall, this one is a pretty good one if you just want a hole, you know, a little hole there. And it is more reasonable too as well. So I think it's like $5, $7, something like that. Target or Sally's, I saw this in. So yeah, but I did try this, and I used this one here on my my 2 videos that I just uploaded, and I have a slick back style. I think this is the gel that I used, and I felt that it looked okay. It looked okay. So yes guys, so anyway, I'm gonna try some more gels and see what I can come up with, and see if I don't know if there's something else out there that I may like to as well. And if you have any suggestions on any gels that's good for laying your, you know, your styles, your pullback styles down, put them down in the comment area. So if anyone watched this video, they have some other suggestions to let you know to look for, and maybe I will try them too as well. But anyway guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful, and yeah, and I will see you in my next one. Okay guys, I wanted to pop in and show you my hair real quick. This is the end of the day, and it is, let's see what time it is. It is 7:49 p.m. It is dark, and this is what my hair is looking like. I do have just a tad, you can barely, if I didn't point it out, you probably didn't really see it. You couldn't see it really good. Just a tad bit of frizz there. Other than that, my sides are looking great. The hair is not, you know, poking out by me taking my glasses off and on today. So that is looking good too. But yeah, just that little bit of frizz there. And it still feel kind of like the cast is still there, so I must have applied more gel on this part of my hair, on the gray part, so that's why I probably feel a little bit more, it's holding on a little bit more, so I'll know to apply extra gel on the gray areas here, because that is really holding up nicely there. Look at the lashes. They're holding on too. Let me tell you something. So I walked out the house today with my lashes on. I did not want to leave the house with these lashes on. I am still learning. I know I need to practice and practice, but I did not realize I still had the lashes on until I got in the store and I looked in, I passed by one of the mirrors and I looked in the mirror and I was like, oh my God, I still got my lashes on. I was like, I hope I'm not scaring nobody today. I hope I'm not. I was like, oh my God, they are so soft, so comfortable. You don't know you have them on. I couldn't believe that. I couldn't believe that. But yeah, they held up pretty good. But yeah, I do still need to practice. Still need to practice. Anyway, but yep, that gel, it held up really, really nicely. Let me turn around real quick.